As you can see, this is the new layout for YouTube Studio. As you can obviously see, there's no likes versus dislikes column anymore. So we're going to go into analytics and we're going to look for likes versus dislikes. So you can see how inconvenient it is just to do all this just for this metric. So right now I'm still looking for it. As you can obviously see, I'm having a hard time, right? But up above, you would click on Advanced Analytics. So in a second, I'm about to click on that. And right now it's for this video, but we're not focusing on that. We're looking for likes versus dislikes. So we're declicking all of this. And then we're going to, on the search bar, we're going to search likes. So I'm still figuring things out, as you can see, because it's a screen recording. But I'm going to put likes. And there you go. Likes versus dislikes appears. And I'm going to click on the other as well. And now it's only for the video. So now you have to go and click on the video. I was having a little hard time, as you can see. But you're going to pretty much click on the channel. So click on your channel and it'll give you all the videos of your channel. Now you can see likes versus dislikes for all videos you uploaded. Or most of them. Because that hell sure ain't all of them. Now exiting out, and now you can see, look at the dates. The year is cut off because of the notices column. Very bad update. And then if you try clicking on the date, you still can't see the year. Nothing appears. It's just cut off. So I can't see the year. But you see, if you click on notices, if you click on public, something happens. When you click on date, nothing happens.